Hello folks, it's the Wolf Hunter, and here we are with the finished Traditions Kentucky pistol. If you see my previous videos where you see where I got a pistol, a rifle, and a blunderbuss, and I told you this is going to be the first one. Well, here it is after the wood was done. Not bad at all, I say so myself. And now this is how the finish came out on the barrel. Now I asked the owner, and he said this is just fine because he wanted it to look like it's old. Kind of try to match the side plate, but didn't get it perfect, but he said that is fine. And he told me, I told him that if you want it dark blue, darker color, no problem. I'll take it down and redo it. It's no problem. I like doing stuff like this, and if you guys watch my other videos, you know this is my thing. And so I want to show you some things I used. This is for the wood. Old English chestnut. Cleaner degreaser. Perma Blue. And I use this to oil it down. Marvel Air Tool oil. After the wood was finished, I gave it 3 coats of warm satin. I used denatured alcohol. That little tub there, some brushes, and some acetone. And I think it come out pretty good. And of course, safety things. You got to have the safety in there, folks. I got glasses on to cover my eyes in case anything splashes in my eyes. But this is where I'm at so far. And once I get together, I'll show you guys that and end it up. Well, folks, there's the finished product. Not bad. Say so myself. First time doing it. Looks pretty snazzy. Let's see if I can cock this thing. Hold on. There we go. Pull it back. There you go. Cock. Full cock. Hammer drops. Perfect. It was a fun project to do. And now I'll be working on the rifle next. Well, I hope you like it, folks. Probably not like the box. Let me see if I get the cover. Hold on, folks. There we go. I've got a glare here. There's a Kentucky. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad for my first time, if I do say so myself. Well, folks, I thank you for tuning in. Until next time, as always, God bless America. Stay safe and watch your six. And please subscribe if you haven't, and give that a thumbs up. I surely would appreciate it. Until next time, have a safe one. God bless America.